So we are solving a question bank. Then here few questions already covered. Up to 0.5 mole each of hydrogen that is covered. And that answer is P of SO2 greater than P of CH4 greater than P of S2, second option. Then question number 16. Question number 16. Identify the pair of gases that have equal rates of diffusion. And here compounds are given CO and NO. First option. And they are asking equal rates and the rate of diffusion of gases, they are inversely proportional. Then see here. Anyway, if molecular masses are same, they have same rate. Then carbon 12 plus 16, 14 plus 16. This is 30, 28. So unequal mass. Like this, you check the molecular masses of compounds. Then in option 3, third option, N2O and CO2. These two compounds are given. And N2, yes, 28 double. Sorry, nitrogen, 1 nitrogen 14 double 28 plus 16. 28 plus 16, 44. 12 plus 32, 44. Right. So these two compounds have same molecular mass, therefore they have same rate of diffusion. Next question, question number 17. Question number 17. There is a multiple choice. The pressure and temperature of 4 dm cube of carbon dioxide gas are doubled. Then the volume of CO2 gas would be, here there is a cylinder or a vessel, 4 dm cube CO2 is taken, 4 dm cube CO2. Pressure and temperature of 4 dm cube CO2 gas are doubled. P and T are doubled. Pressure, temperature of this gas doubled. Then volume of CO2 gas will be its volume. After doubling the pressure, temperature, what about volume that they asked? Whether 4 volume remains same or doubles or reduced to half, that we can calculate. So that is by using, see here, they are asking volume. Then P and T are there. Therefore, you know formula. There is from combined gas equation or ideal gas equation. PV equal to nRT. Using this, we can write P1 V1 by T1 equal to P2 V2 by T2. P2 V2 by T2. Next. 4 dm cube of gas is taken. Then P1 by T1, or better make it a question mark. V2 you have to find out. V2. Then rewrite the formula for V2. V2 equal to P1 V1 T2 by P1 and T2 by T2 T1. Okay. Both are doubled. T2 by T1 value. T2 by T1. This value. T2 is double of T1. P2 is double of P1. Therefore, P2 double of P1. Therefore, 2. Means 1 by 2. 2 cancel. And V2 value, this you have to find out. V1. V1 value also given. 4. V1, this V1 value 4. Therefore, 4 MJ. This volume remains same when temperature pressure change for CO2 gas. Answer is 3. Next question. Question number 18. Question number 18. NH3 and HCl gas are introduced simultaneously from the two ends of long tube. A white ring of the ammonium product appears first in. So there is a tube. Question number 18. The glass tube is taken and there are two ends. Then from one end it's NH3 gas, other end HCl gas. Two gases are passed through a tube. It is a long glass tube. Our question is where actually NH4Cl or white fumes are formed. White fumes. Whether nearer to HCl or nearer to ammonia or in between. But gas is formed, white gas. Now again about what velocity of the gas molecules are rate of diffusion, molecular mass of ammonia, molecular mass of HCl, or size of ammonia, size of HCl. Okay, then we compare. Then rate of diffusion of ammonia faster than HCl. Rate of diffusion of ammonia faster than rate of diffusion of HCl. Therefore, nearer to HCl end, there is a white fumes or white gas formation of NH4Cl. So they give answer nearer to HCl end, at the center of the tube, throughout the tube, nearer to the ammonia end. Throughout the tube, nearer to HCl, nearer to ammonia. Like this, options are given. So answer is this one because of rate of diffusion. So answer first. Then question number 19, based on the pressure, your RMS velocity. So question number 18, answer 1. Answer 1. 19. Question number 19. The RMS velocity of molecules of gas with the density given, pressure given, density, pressure, RMSV. There is a formula in the last videos I told. In synopsis, some formulas. RMSV, C RMSV. C equal RMSV, root 3 RT by M, one formula. Second, 3 PV by M. Third formula, 3P by D. 3P by D. Therefore, in this question, RMSV pressure is given, density is given, hence you have to use the formula C equal to root 3P by D and C equal to RMSV. This is RMSV. Root means square velocity. And see what you have to find out. RMS velocity of molecules. This you have to find out. And substitute the value 3. But main here you have to write the formula of RMSV and pressure density and substitute. And all values are given here in SI system. Therefore, 3 into pressure given 1.2 into 10 raised to 5. 1.2 into 10 raised to 5 divided by density 4. Now try to simplify this. 3 into 12 into 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 raised to 5 by 4. 4 ones are 4 3s are 3 3s are 9 root 3 into 10 raised to minus 1 10 raised to plus 5 10 raised to 4 and 10 raised to 4 root then value 10 raised to 2. This is equal to 300 and RMSV SI unit velocity SI unit meter per second. Correct answer. First 300 meter per second given in first option. Second 900, third 120, fourth 600. So it matches with option 1. And method important, RMSP formula in terms of pressure density, root 3p by d, square root of 3p by d. Okay. Then now question number 20. Question number 20. Question number 20. What is the temperature at which the kinetic energy of 0.3 mole of helium is equal to the kinetic energy of 0.4 mole of argon at 400 K? But they gave here kinetic energy. Means hint is given kinetic energy. And you know kinetic energy formula. Question number 20. Ke equal to 3 by 2 nRT for n mole. 3 by 2 RT for 1 mole. Next. 0.3 mole, 0.4 mole. They give 2 times. 0.3 mole, 0.4 is 2 cases. 3 by 2 N1 RT. For temperature, see here. They are asking temperature, therefore you write T1, T2. N2 3 by 2 N2 R T2. 3 by 2 R, 3 by 2 R cancel. N1 T1 equal to N2 T2. But you have to find out temperature. 1 minute. What is the temperature? What is the kinetic energy? 1.3 mole. This you have to find out. 0.3 mole. 0.3 into T1 equal to 0.4 into 400. 0.4 into 400. Yes, 0.1 cancel. And 4 4s are 16. 1600 by 3. 1600 by 3. So we get answer 533. Yes, here hint. If it is kinetic energy problem, write Ke equal to 3 by 2 nRT. Correct? And same type, one more. Ke1, Ke2. Kinetic energy of 2 cases. Yes. Question number 76. Question number 76. Question number 76. As the temperature is raised from 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, the average kinetic energy of neon atoms changes by a factor of which of the following? Means they give 2 temperatures and kinetic energy. Again, same Ke proportional to T. Kinetic energy proportional to T. Or Ke equal to 3 by 2 nRT. 3 by 2 nR is common for both the cases. Therefore, we can write Ke 1 by Ke or Ke2 by Ke1. Higher temperature, lower temperature. T2 by T1. T2 by T1. Next, as the temperature raised from given by a factor of, yes, this ratio they are asking, T2 by T1 ratio. T2 value 40 plus 273. 40 plus 273 equal to 313. Then 20 plus 273. 20 plus 273, 293. Yes. They are asking this ratio Ke2 by Ke1. This is the answer. Because in options they give 313 by 293, root of 313 by 293. 1 by 2, 2. So answer first. 313 by 293. So if 2 temperatures are there and apply same method, or Ke equal to 3 by 2 NRT formula, and n 3 by 2 NR is common for both. Hence again you get same type. Okay. Next one. Question number 23. Question number 23. 23. The RMS speed of hydrogen is root 7 times. RMS speed of hydrogen, this is RMS. Root means square velocity. RMS velocity of hydrogen equal to root 7 times. Root 7 times of RMS V of N2. RMS V of N2. Like this is given in the question, but they are asking if T is the temperature of the gas, then how what T of S2N2, because in all the options they gave T of S2N2. How T of S2N2 related? T of H2 and T of N2 related. RMS velocity have no temperature, but how to write formula? We know that. Formula for RMS V in terms of temperature, C equal to square root of 3 RT by M. 3 RT by M. Okay, use this formula and convert this formula for two cases, for hydrogen and nitrogen. Okay. Square root of 3 RT of H2 by M of H2 equal to root 7 into root 7 into root C for into this one 3 RT N2 by M of N2. Next, root X into root Y. Simple mathematics. Root X into root Y equal to root XY. Root XY, therefore root cancel. I am taking here actually root of like this, root of 7 into 3 RT of N2 by M of S2. Okay, simplify this like this. Next one. Now you can cancel these two. Then 3R also cancel. Therefore, T of S2 by M of S2, T of M of S2 equal to 7 T of N2 by M of N2, molecular mass of N2. Therefore, T of S2 by M of S2 is 2, molecular mass of hydrogen, 7 into T of N2 by M of N2, 20. Molecular mass of nitrogen gas is 28. Then 2 1s are 2. 7 by 14. Molecular mass of N2 28. Then 7 times. What's here? 7 by, once again, nitrogen, hydrogen given 3RT, 3R cancel, T of S2 by T of N2, correct. Then now, T of S2 half of T of N2 means what? T of N2 greater than T of S2 or T of S2 less than T of N2. T of N2. So answers T of S2 less than T of N2. This is one correct. Option number 3. Option number 3. So important steps here. First you write given part. This is given part. Then C of S2 formula. C of N2 formula. Then root x, root y, root xy. Root cancel. 3r cancel. Then write T S2 by M of S2. 7 T of N2 by M of N2. And substitute molecular masses, molecular mass of hydrogen, molecular mass of nitrogen. So finally we get answer T of S2 less than T of N2, because here you have to calculate T of S2, T of N2 relationship. Then one more question. Question number 25. If a gas contain only 3 molecules, that move with velocities 100, 200, 500 meter per second. 100, 200, 500 meter per second. 3 velocities are given. What is the RMSV? Root minus velocity equal to formula, because they give velocities N1 V1 square, N2 V2 square, N3 V3 square by 3. N1 plus N2 plus N3. 3 means here we write 3. Next, one molecule. Then V1 square, 100 square plus 200 square plus 500 square by 3. V1, V2, V3 values are given, and according to the formula you have to square and you have to take their square root. Next, 100 square, 200 square, 500 square. 5 5s are 25. Then 2 2s are 4. 25 plus 4, 29. 1 into 1, 1, 30. Means we get answer here 3 lakhs 5 3. Actual answer root 10 raised to 5, but in options they are not given root 10 raised to 5. But this can be written as root 10 into 10 raised to 4. Root 10 into 10 raised to 4, which is also equal to root 10 into 10 100. 10 square, 10 raised to 4 square root equal to 10 square 100. So it's given in option number 3. Again, we check the method. RMSV formula. There are many formulas in RMSV. RMSV equal to, according to definition, square root of N1 V1 square plus N2 V2 square plus N3 V3 square up to N times by N number here. How many molecules are taken? They are molecule right. Then substitute V1, V2, V3 values given and square it and simplify, we get answers. Question number 26 about Van der Waals equation. Yesterday when I covered about Van der Waals equation and constants A and B. Small a indicates intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules and B indicate size of the molecules. Small a and B, question number 26. Small a and B are Van der Waals constants for gases. Chlorine is more easily liquefied than ethane. Chlorine is more easily liquefied than ethane. If they give statements about this, okay, and if the gas is easily liquefiable, then there must be more force of attraction between the molecules, and size of the molecule should be greater. Therefore, B value for ethane greater, A value less, because intermolecular force is less in ethane, means A is less, but size of the molecule is more with respect to C2H6. Now we will read options. A and B for Cl2 greater than A. A and B for C2H6. A and B for Cl2 greater than A and B value for C2H6. That is wrong statement. A and B for Cl2, A and B for C2H6. Again they are giving same. A for Cl2 greater than A for C2H6. True. But B for Cl2 greater than B for C2H6. It is false statement. For C2H6, now only I told B is greater and A is smaller. But here they give in option 3. B for Cl2. Option 3. A for C2H6. But B for Cl2 greater than B for C2H6. This is a wrong statement. And last, A for Cl2 greater than A for C2H6. Correct. A for Cl2 greater than A for C2H6. But B for Cl2 less than B for C2H6. Means in case of C2H6, B value for C2H6 greater than Cl2, but A value less. Remember, A value less. Then 27. Again theoretical question. And 28, 29 theory based, already covered in the synopsis. And about RMSV. Question number 30. Question number 30. So that we continue after 2-3 minutes.